The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor, bagi kiwai. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam, tak saupoin rewlak. Just wow.
Dak bapentep bagi bor pulit kila kam sawo nongket kam ka khasi Students Union KSU na ki jingjami huri hura ki bala jah Shillong menaka khat kandai trek nailar arja arpunrio uba Vivek MSP East Khasi Hills District Loong bo basakam uri Assistant Organizing Secretary ka KSU Central Executive Council ubadai ru President ka KSU Norman Song Unit Halor ki laingot ki samla katau samla Raymond Karjana u President usamla penkemenlang Sanmit Vice President ber usamla Ruben Najar General Secretary kibadan along harilom garo hadian gajing syakam jongki menakamit jong khat kandai terung nailar arja punrio uba Vivek ulong bandang ye keren ban 16 no eki Shillong ban beteng ye Jingtohkit Shuh ulong Lada ki Sakhi Sabut ki kedosha ye ki Jingtohkit ki bor pulit kindang kem Shuh ye ki Donkti Habaya day bagajing singan ulong bagi Central Armed Police Force CAPF but Rapid Action Police Force RAPF kindon shwa Shillong hadu habakut ubunai nailar ban khanglat ya kinu gijing ja ki bala ban kata ya ka sok singan.
So far 4 people have been arrested. 3 were arrested earlier and this morning one more member was arrested. He's the Assistant Organizing Secretary and President of the KSU Norman Song Unit.
And sir, are you going to arrest any more? Or
as the investigation progresses and all that, and as we find more clues and evidence, we will go ahead with further action. No, that was we had sent them because there was apprehension that it would be a breakdown of law and order. But the situation is limping back to normalcy. We've been seeing for the preceding days there has been no incident, and due to the convenience for the IO to conduct investigation, because if the accused also are far away, then investigation is also hampered. So we have given a prayer to the IG prisons that to bring them back. We are hoping that we have. They were supposed to be here till the 25th, but we have taken up with police headquarters that it will be here till the end of the month.
end of session?
Till the end of the month, yes.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya